So hi everyone, I am Qayyum Sheikh, and in this video we will going to create two buttons which will do a work like converting the text inside the text box to uppercase or lowercase respectively, or you can add any type of function uh, inside your component of HTML. Okay, so here on the screen we have three files, namely index.html for HTML, script.js for JavaScript, and style.css for CSS styling the HTML page. Okay, so okay let me give our title as string manipulation. Okay, so let we have a division tag container one. Okay, inside this we will have a text area. Okay, text anything likewise. Let me save it. Why it's not loading at all? Let me reload it exam. Okay, now we have our text box. Okay, we have our text box. Now in the next container, need to create another division tag container for buttons. Okay, in this we need to have button, which is class name as uppercase. Okay, this will be for uppercase. We will give it as uppercase as label. Okay, now the next button will be for the lowercase. Okay, lowercase, name it as lowercase, then control save. We have got our two buttons. Okay, with class names uppercase and lowercase. So here on the screen you can see that we have this. Okay, so let me create for a code, JavaScript code, JS code for uppercase. Okay, so let me tell you that first we will going to create uh, we will going to create a function for the uppercase. Okay, we will going to create a function for the uppercase. Now inside give a text actually to declare the text. Now let's select document. Now select DOM element using the HTML tag. Okay, so now we need to select our text area. Okay, there is no class for the text area, so we will going to select direct text area. Okay, and in this we need to have select value. Okay, so by using the text variable we have selected this text box. Okay, so we are done with this. Now let create a variable uppercase for converting this text to uppercase. Okay, so by using this uppercase we just have converted the whatever value inside this text area to the uppercase. Okay, now Duet document dot query, again need to select the text area so that it can take the transition. Okay, so now we have done. So what we have done, by using this text variable, we have selected the value, the text area tag, and by using this value we have selected whatever we will going to write inside the text area. So it will all got selected by the value attribute. Okay, then on the next step, we have created a uppercase variable, and by using this uppercase variable we will going to convert the text from this text area to uppercase. Okay, so we have done we have done conversion from lowercase to uppercase using this uppercase variable. Now the next step, the final step would be, now we have need to reselect the first element, the text area, and in that we have select whatever value will be, and that value would be the uppercase variable. So the uppercase variable is our two uppercase. So in this way we will going to convert our text. Okay, so now, so we have done with this, we have created our uppercase function. Now for taking place, we need to select our buttons. So let's go to the button of uppercase. Here is our uppercase, so we have given a class name as an uppercase to the button. So we will select the uppercase button using the class uppercase. Now add an event listener so that when we click on the uppercase button, it will convert our whatever text inside the text box to the uppercase. Now let's see if it's taking place. It's not taking place. Why? Now done with this, but it's not taking place. Why? Let me put on the upside. Okay, now see, is that taking place? Again it's not taking place. Why? Now let's to go to the text area. Now let's give it a class name, text area, so that it will take place. Now let's select it again. Where is this? Okay, now let's see, is it taking place? No, not, it's not working at all. Not working at all. Oh, so hi guys, so I was forget to add the script src and link tag to add inside the HTML tag. That's why whatever we are writing, whatever we were writing in the script .js, it was not taking a place there. Okay, so now we can see right away we have done with our JS code for uppercase. So let me show you that what is the area is my country, what is our result of it. Okay, so here you can see that whatever we are writing inside the text area, inside the text box, when we click on the uppercase button, all the content is getting converted to uppercase. Okay, like in, okay, let me show you Maharashtra, it will be converted into capitalized. Okay, it all gets capitalized. So similarly, now we need to code for the lowercase. Okay, lowercase. So let create again document.query selector. Again the same. Let's select the lowercase button. I'm selecting lowercase button. Then add event listener. In that, when we click on the event listener, it will do the lowercase conversion for us. Okay, so currently we have not created any function which is named as lowercase, so now we need to create a function which is named as lowercase. Okay, so now we are going to, I'm already declaring the text variable inside the lowercase. Okay, inside the argument. Okay, inside the method argument, functional argument. Let again select the text box using query selector, text area, then its value, whatever value the text box contains. Now need to create a lowercase variable, so that and now we are selecting text. So we have actually declare text variable to the whatever contain inside this text box. So now we will convert it to the lowercase value. Okay, now our lowercase conversion has been done. Now let's um, select the text box again, so that we will assign the value inside the text box to the lowercase. Okay, so now we are done with it. Now we are done with our code. Now let's try. India is my country. Now let's try that our button is working or not. So here you can see that our button is working right now. By using uppercase we can convert it to the uppercase, and by using lowercase button we are converting the content into lowercase value. So in this way we can write anything like string is menu relating to lower to uppercase and lowercase. Okay, now let's try. Okay, here by using uppercase we can convert it to the uppercase value. Now let's try with the lowercase. Lowercase is converting the content inside the text box to the lowercase. So in this way we can do it. Now let's try to uh, arrange. Now let's try to style the content. Container one, display flex direction column. See whatever. Okay. Now let's try with the container button. Container button, let's see, display flex. Okay, and flex direction would be a row. Okay, okay, flex direction and gap between them, let's say 50 pixel. Okay, align items to the center. Okay, align item to the center. Justify content, I justify items center. Now let's try to settle them. Let 200 pixel. Okay, so in this way we can edit it. For now it is not needed. Okay, no problem there. I am writing this code for uppercase and lowercase respectively. Okay, now let's see. uppercase is converting to uppercase, lowercase is converting to lowercase. So thanks for watching guys, hope it will be helpful for you.